Good morning parents and my dear students. Welcome to RT Online classes. I hope you all are good and safe at your home. So today we are starting our lesson number 3 of block number 22. Okay. So block number 22 is here that time on a clock to the minute, and this is our lesson number 3 topic is that time on a 12-hour clock. Okay. And we will do today lesson number 4 also. Okay. So these are our required resources for your activity. You have to take 13 slips. Okay. To write an activity. Okay, and worksheet S3, S4, content book and notebook. Okay. So now what is our today's agenda? So our today's agenda is that connectivity with the topic, then we will do activity. After that we have to discuss about the questions. Okay. And then we will do a worksheet S3, S4 as our classwork, and then I will give you a homework also. Okay. So now for connectivity with your topic, I want to ask a question from you. Okay. My question is here that I have my breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning and my dinner at 8 o'clock in the evening. So is this possible, and how can we differentiate between the two times? Okay. So just pause your video and discuss your answer with your parents. After that you can continue with the video for my answer. Okay. Now I hope you have told your answer to parents, so I am discussing my answer. Okay. As that was the question, I have my breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning and my dinner at 8 o'clock in the evening. Is this possible? Yes, it is possible because a clock shows times two times a day. Okay, same time को क्या करती है clock two times show करती है. For example, we have taken that 7 in the morning and 7 in the evening. So clock has shown two times it. Okay. Now it is that how can we differentiate between the two times? So we can differentiate between two times as according to the reference the time. For example, if we are taking 12 of afternoon, okay, so that means we will take as a PM, okay, and 12 at the night, so we can take as a 12 as a midnight. Okay. Now I can tell you that PM is that post meridian, that means afternoon. Okay. And AM, that means anti-meridium, so that means is the before noon. Okay. Now I hope it is clear to you, so you can guess our today's aim also. So write aim in your notebook. Okay. So our today's aim is that to learn how to read and write the time in the format as AM or PM. Okay. So now this time is for our activity, and I hope you have arranged your resources as that you have to arrange the slips. Okay. Now as you can see in the picture, there are some activities. Okay. So on each slip you have to write these activities. Okay. After written this, you will understand my instructions carefully. Okay. Now you have to arrange these slips of the activities according to that time which they are happening as in the day. Okay. How it is happening in the morning to the night. Okay. After that you have to write AM or PM according to the time. If the activity is happening after that 12 midnight and before that 12 noon, then you will write AM. Okay. And if the activity is happening after noon and before midnight, then you will write PM. Okay. So do your activity, and after that we will discuss some questions. Okay. Now I hope you have performed your activity. So on basis of your activity, I want to discuss some questions with you. Okay. So my questions are here that what was the order of the activities, okay, and what activities are done after noon. Okay. So just pause your video and discuss your answer with your parents. After that you can continue with the video for my answer. Okay. Now I hope you have told your answer to your parents, so I am discussing my answer. Okay. So first of all, that was a question. What was the order of the activities? Okay. So I have arranged your activities from morning to the night. Okay. As first of all, it is that going to school. Okay. After that, studying at the school, then playing in the park, then eating dinner, and then sleeping in the night. Okay. And according to their time was also. Okay. Now you can understand this also like that. Which activity is happening between midnight and noon? It is concluded as AM. Okay. And which is happening from noon to midnight? It is as a PM. Okay. So going to school, it is a 7 AM. That means it is a before noon. So before noon. So what we will write? We will write here that AM. Okay. And studying at school, it is 11:14. It is also before noon. So we will write it as a AM. Now playing in the park, that 6:30. 6:30 is that PM, because it is the activity which is happening after noon and before midnight. Okay, so eating dinner at 8:30. So dinner is at 8:30. So it is also before midnight. So it is also PM. Okay. Now sleeping in the night at 1:35. It is after 12. That means it is after 12 of the midnight and before it is noon. So we will conclude it as a AM. Okay. Now I hope it is clear to you. And now question is there, which activities are done after noon? So afternoon which are concluding with the PM. So these are the activities which are happening after noon. So these are that playing in the park and eating dinner. Okay. Now I hope it is clear to you. So now we can move for the next question. Okay. Now, for your general discussion, I am taking here the one question. Okay, so my question is here that how do you know the time of a day and how do you know when to use AM or PM? Okay, so just pause your video and discuss your answer with your parents. After that, you can continue with the video for my answer. Okay. Now, I hope you have told your answer to your parents, so I am discussing my answer, okay? As that was a question, how do you know the time of a day and how do you know when to use AM or PM, okay? So, now it is the answer that the R end of the analog clock circles the clock twice in a day to complete the 24 hours of the day, okay? जो R end होती है एनालॉग क्लॉक में वो क्या करती है 2 टाइम्स कवर करती है to cover the 24 hours of the day. Okay, so the clock shows the same time twice in a day. तो इसलिए जो क्लॉक होती है वो क्या करती है सेम टाइम को दो बारी शो करती है. ओके, सो टू डिफरेंशिएट द टाइम ऑफ द डे दैट द क्लॉक रेफर्स टू वी राइट द टाइम एज AM और PM. ओके, तो टाइम को डिफरेंशिएट करने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं AM और PM का यूज करते हैं. ओके, द टाइम फ्रॉम 12 at midnight until 11:59 in the morning is shown by the AM. ठीक है, तो जो टाइमिंग्स होती है आफ्टर मिडनाइट दैट 12 एंड टिल 11:15 इन द मॉर्निंग इट इज शोन बाय द AM. ओके, एंड द टाइम फ्रॉम 12 noon until 11:59 इन द नाइट इज शोन बाय द PM, और उसे हम किसे शो करते हैं PM से शो करते हैं. ओके, नाउ द टाइम इज रिटन एज AM और PM एंड इज नोन एज द 12-hour format of the time. Okay, now I hope it is clear to you. So now we can move for the next question. Okay, now I have took one more interesting question for you, and my question is here that Rohan went to bed 5 minutes after midnight. Okay, so what time did he sleep and how do we know? Okay, so just pause your video and discuss your answer with your parents. After that you can continue with the video for my answer. Okay, now I hope you have told your answer to your parents, so I am discussing my answer. Okay, as that was question, what time did he sleep and how do we know? Okay, so as the time was given that Rohan went to bed 5 minutes after midnight. Okay, so midnight means is that 12 o'clock of the morning. Okay, so that is start in the night. Okay, so what time did he sleep? So he slept at that 12 o'clock 5 minutes of AM. Okay, and how do we know? We know that because after 12 of midnight it starts at AM, that is the morning timings. Okay, that is the anti-meridian. Okay, now I hope it is clear to you. So now we can move for the next lesson. Okay, now we are starting our today's lesson number 4 also. Okay, so our lesson number 4 topic is here that time on a 24-hour clock. Okay, so now connectivity with the topic. So as you can see in the picture, there is a digital clock. Okay, so my question is here that how the time appears in it. Okay, so just pause your video and discuss your answer with your parents. After that you can continue with the video for my answer. Okay, now I hope you have told your answer to your parents. So now I am discussing my answer. As you have seen in the picture, so the time is showing as a digital clock. Okay, so digital clock is also going that 24-hour clock. Okay, so we are not using AM or PM to write the time in this format. Okay, so what we will use, we will write only the hours between 0 to 23. Okay, to represent the time. So 00 is it is representing. So as it is 00, it is representing at the midnight. Okay, or we can say it is the 12 o'clock of AM. And if you are writing 13, so 13, so we will write as 13 is a 1 p.m. Okay, it is a 1 p.m. Okay, now I hope it is clear to you. So now we can guess about today's aim also. So write your aim in your notebook. Okay. So our today's aim is that to learn how to read and write the time in 24-hour format and converse between the 12-hour format and the 24-hour format. Okay. So now it's time for your activity. So as you can see the picture on your screen. Okay. So you have to make the slips of that timings. Okay. And now you will follow my instructions for your activity. Okay. So my instructions are here that first of all you have to separate the 12-hour format timings and 24-hour format timings. Okay, so you have to the 8 slips, आपके पास 8 slips हैं, आप उसमें से क्या करेंगे 12-hour format की slips को आप अलग रखेंगे और 24-hour की slips को आप अलग रखेंगे. Okay, after that you have to match them कि both the timings की जो timing आपको 12-hour format में दिया गया है 24-hour में क्या timings होंगी. Okay, like that you have to do this your activity, and after that my demonstration I am giving you now, and then you will do your activity. After that we will discuss some questions also. Okay, now for your demonstration I have to clear the 3 questions. Okay, so the first one is here that convert 4 o'clock 15 minutes as PM in 24-hour format. Okay, so as it is the PM, that is a post meridian, so that means it is the timing after noon. So what we have to do, so we have to add 12 hours. Okay, so we have to add only 12 hours in this timing, then it will be converted into the 24-hour format. Okay, so as timing in the minutes in the 15, so we will add in the 0, so it will be remain the 15. Now 12 and 4 we have to add, so it will be there 16 and 16 hours and the 15 minutes. Okay, so 4 o'clock 15 minutes PM, in that 16 hours 15 minutes. Okay, now convert 6 o'clock 30 minutes AM in 24-hour format as it is in the AM. So till 10 o'clock, that is a 12 o'clock, it will be the same in the 24-hour or that is of AM. So what we will do, we will write that 6:30 AM as in 24-hour format, it will be written as the same 06 and that is a 30. So that means it is the timing of the morning. Okay, now convert 14 hours 45 minutes in 12-hour format. So what we have to do, as it is a 14 and 45, so now we have to subtract 12 hours. So 40 minus 12, it will be there 2, and 45 minus 0, it will be there 45. So as it is that was greater than 12, so it is the timing of the PM. Okay, now I hope it is clear to you. So now you can do your activity. Okay, now I hope you have done your activity. So on basis of your activity, I want to discuss some questions with you. Okay, so my questions are here that with which 12-hour format time did you match 15 hours and 45 minutes? Okay, and what about 0020, that is 13 hours 45 minutes and 16 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so how did you match the time to 3 o'clock 45 minutes as a PM? Okay, now just pause your video and discuss your answer with your parents. After that you can continue with the video for my answer. Okay, now I hope you have told your answer to your parents, so I am discussing my answer. Okay, first of all we have to separate the 12-hour clock timings from to the 24-hour clock timings. Okay, as it is at 4:30 PM, so we have separated it. Okay, then 1:45 PM, so we have separated it. After that it is at 3:45, then we have separated it. Okay, and then 12:20 AM, then we have separated it. Okay, after that we have to match the timings, that is the 24-hour clock timing. Okay, as it is that 4:30 PM, so what we have to do, we have to add the 12 hours in it. Okay, so when we will add 12 hours, so it will be there that 16:30. Okay, now 1:45 PM, as it is PM, so we have to add the 12 hours, so it will be there 45. Okay, now it is 3:45 p.m. So we have to add 12 hours. So it will be there the 15 hours and 45 minutes. And now it is at the 12 hours 20 minutes as in the AM. So we have to take here that 00 as a 20. Okay, 0 is the hours and the 20 are the minutes. Okay, now that was the first question. With which 12-hour format time did you match 15 hours and 45 minutes? So we have matched with the 3:45 p.m. Okay, so we can mark a arrow. Okay, now the second one is here that what about 0020 and 13:45 and 16:30? So we have matched here that 12:20 a.m. with the 0020 hours, and then 1:45 p.m. as with the 13 hours 45 minutes, and 4:30 p.m. with the 16 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, now how did you match the time to 3 o'clock 45 minutes as a PM? Okay, so to match the time for 3 o'clock 45 minutes as of a PM, we added 12 to the hours in the minute in the time in the PM. Okay, so जब हम 3 में 12 ऐड करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? It will be 15. So only the hours will be changed in both the formats. The minutes will be the same. Okay, so the time in the 24-hour format for 3:45 p.m. is 15 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, now I hope it is clear to you. So now we can move for the next question. Okay, now for your general discussion, I am taking here some questions. Okay, so my questions are here that how can you read and write time in 24-hour format? Okay, and what are the benefits of using a 24-hour clock? Okay, so just pause your video and discuss your answer with your parents. After that, you can continue with the video for my answer. Okay, now I hope you have told your answer to parents, so I am discussing my answer. Okay, as it was a question, how can you read and write in the 24-hour format, and what are the benefits of using a 24-hour clock? Okay, so the first line is here that in the 24-hour format the day runs from midnight to midnight. Okay, जो 24 आवर फॉर्मेट लिखा गया होता है उसमें क्या होता है, मिडनाइट टू मिडनाइट की तरह हम डे को काउंट करते हैं. ओके, एंड द डे इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 24 आवर्स, और जो डे होता है उसे 24 आवर्स में डिवाइड किया जाता है, बट रिटर्न इट इज एट 0 to 23. ओके, so the 12 at midnight is the 0th hour of the day and 12 noon is the 12th hour of the day. Okay, the hours after 12 noon continue as 13, 14, 15 and so on until 23. Okay, so the time in the 24-hour format is written as hours and minutes. So सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखते हैं, hours को लिखते हैं, and after that we have written to the minutes. Okay, and the 24-hour format helps avoid confusion in reading the time, and hence it is used in the many places such as railway stations, airports, etc. Okay, now I hope it is clear to you. So now we can move for the next question. Okay, now I took one more interesting question for you, and my question is here that Manvi had her lunch at 1 o'clock 50 minutes. Okay, write the time in the 24-hour format. Okay, so you can understand that by the lunch. Lunch is at the time of the, that is afternoon. Okay, so now you can do this question. So after that you will continue with the video for my answer. Okay, now I hope you have told your answer to your parents and you have solved this question also. So I am discussing the answer of the question. Okay, as it is here that Manvi had her lunch at 1:50. So write the time in the 24-hour format. So we have to write time in the 24-hour format. So we have to the focus on the lunch. Lunch is the timing of the afternoon. Okay, so it is a 1:50. So we can write here that 1:50 p.m. Okay, now we have to write in the 24-hour format. So what do we have to do? We have to add the 12 hours. Okay, so what we will do, 1:50 plus 12 hours. So now it will be there 30 hours and 50 minutes. So this is the timing in the 24-hour format. Okay, now I hope it is clear to you, and we have achieved our today's aims also. Okay, so now we are moving for the lesson number 3 and lesson number 4, homework and the classwork also. Okay, now it is your classwork that is you have to finish, S3 as for worksheet from your workbook, okay, that is in volume number 3 on page number 29 and 30, okay. This is your S3 worksheet, time on a 12-hour clock, okay. So the first one question is here that A part, write the time at which these activities are done, morning, afternoon, evening and night, okay, and write the time as AM, PM in the table one has been done for you, okay. So the first one example is given to you that wake up in the morning, okay. So time of the day it is the morning, okay, and time it is given that 6 o'clock. So time it is written as a form of the AM and PM it is that 6 AM, okay. So you have to read these activities carefully, then you have to write the time of the day and then you have to write time as the AM or the PM, okay. You will do it carefully. Now these are the other parts of that question. It is the question number 2. Ritu ate her lunch at noon. How will you write the time in the 12-hour format? Okay. So you have to write the time of the noon in the 12-hour format. Okay. And it is your S4 worksheet, time on a 24-hour clock. So Chitra came from the park in the evening and looked at the time shown at the clock. राइट द टाइम इन द 12-hour फॉर्मेट, ओके. सो जो आपको टाइम शो किया गया है आपको इसे किस फॉर्म में लिखना है, 12-hour फॉर्मेट में लिखना है, ओके. एंड दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. द टेबल शोज समीज डेली टाइम टेबल, कंप्लीट द टेबल. So we have to complete the table as the activities are given, time of the 12-hour clock time is given and we have to write the time in the 24-hour clock, okay. So in this space you have to write the time in the 24-hour clock, okay. And question number 3 is here that the football match started at 11 p.m. at night and got over at 1 a.m. After midnight, write both the times in the 24-hour format. So what you have to do? You have to write the time in the 24-hour format as it is a 11 p.m. and it is a 1 a.m. Okay. Now this is your homework. You have to complete lesson number 3 and 4 practice questions from your Exceed content book that is in volume number 3 on page number 35. Okay. So you have to read these questions carefully and then you have to do it. Okay. And you can read also about your lesson number 3 and lesson number 4 from your content book. Okay. And these are your resources for your volume number 3 that is in block number 23, lesson number 1 and 2. Okay. So 5 strips of paper with 1 hour written on each and 5 strips of paper with 60 minutes written on each. Okay. And sheet of paper showing 2 blank timelines with intervals of 20. Okay. Worksheet S1, S2, content book and notebook. Okay. So you have to arrange the resources for your activities. And this is our today's summarization what we have learned today. So we have learned today how to read and write the time in the 12-hour format as AM and PM, okay, and how to read and write the time in the 24-hour format and convert between the 12-hour format and the 24-hour format, okay. Now I hope we have done everything in these lessons. So now bye bye students, have a nice day.